Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can change your language on NotebookLM. One thing to notice is that NotebookLM is a Google service, so this will be linked with Google. So it's pretty simple. First of all, of course, you need to have your NotebookLM open right in front of you, and from here you will go to settings. And once you go here, you will just simply search NotebookLM help. Now, once you've searched NotebookLM help, you will see how can we help you describe your issue. You will just simply search change language. Once you've done that, you will get these frequently asked questions. You will press on frequently asked questions. And now once you've pressed on frequently asked questions, these are the frequently asked questions. You will just scroll down until you go to features and capabilities, and here you will go to what languages does NotebookLM support. Now NotebookLM currently supports over 30 plus languages. If you want to see if it supports your language, you can just press on 30 plus languages and it will redirect you to the amount of languages it supports. Now we will go to settings. As you can see right here, it's saying you can change your language preference in your Google account settings. So this is a redirect for settings. So that is why you will follow this process so you can directly go to settings. So you'll just press on this. And here is where you can change your language from. Now you can add another language as well, or you can edit the language from here. For example, you have English, United States right here. By pressing on the pencil, you will now enter your language and you will hit save. Now after you do that, you can just refresh once and your NotebookLM language would be changed. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.